Good morning, Atlanta, Georgia, and happy 1 year anniversary of the Pittsburgh tornado. Today's calls for severe storms and heavy rain. Now let's head to our exact radar. All right. It looks like this storm is heading towards the Atlanta, Georgia metropolitan area. Stay indoors for the rest of the day, and we already have a couple of warnings right now for Atlanta and Georgia. It looks like we are about to be interrupted by EAS EAS. Please stand by. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until further notice. At 8:43 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was heading towards the Atlanta, Georgia area. This storm has already caused large hail and heavy rain in the area, and minor flooding has been also reported in the area. And damaging winds have already been blowing trees down and destroying things. I repeat, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until further notice. Flash flood watch for Atlanta, Georgia until further notice. A flash flood watch has been issued until further notice by the Georgia Storm Prediction Center. At 8:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the severe storm that was hitting Atlanta, Georgia has now caused flooding in the area. Please do not ride your car in flooded roadways. You will risk your life. And as more rain is expected to hit the area, please stand by. Please stand by. And don't go outside. The governor of the Atlanta, Georgia will be speaking shortly. My fellow Georgia fellows, as this severe storm is hitting the area, this is really bad. A severe storm is hitting the area, and I don't know what to do. Though it is also the 1-year anniversary of this outbreak in the tornado that hit Pittsburgh. I recommend you all do not go outside during the storm. Although one of our cities did get destroyed by a tornado 1 year ago. It wasn't Atlanta, Georgia. It was close to Atlanta, Georgia, but it missed it. We are hopefully this doesn't happen again. And if it does a tornado happen, we will come out from the ashes stronger. Ashes. That was a message from the governor of Georgia. A tornado warning has been issued in Atlanta, Georgia until further notice. An extremely large and deadly tornado is hitting the Atlanta, Georgia metropolitan area. This storm has killed a lot of people and destroyed buildings. This tornado has also caused a lot of damage. Evacuate now. Evacuate the city of Atlanta now, before it's too late. I repeat, an extremely large and deadly tornado is hitting the Atlanta, Georgia area. Now we head to Alabama. This is WVTM 13 here, live for Alabama News. In another extremely severe storm is going to hit the Alabama area. What Georgia is experiencing now, though, similar to what is going to happen here, like in Georgia. And a tornado warning has been issued for all of Alabama in a state of emergency. An EF4 tornado was reported on the ground near Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Please take shelter immediately. Please take shelter immediately. I repeat, an extremely large and deadly tornado was near Tuscaloosa, Alabama, killing people and destroying a lot of buildings. Please get indoors immediately and stay in an underground shelter until the storm has passed. I repeat, an extremely large and deadly tornado is hitting the Tuscaloosa area. And a tornado warning has been issued for all of Alabama in a state of emergency until further notice. We don't know what just happened, but it looks like an alert just went out about an extremely large and deadly tornado. Ladies and gentlemen, we are having an large and extremely deadly tornado on the ground right now, hitting Tuscaloosa right now. This is a similar event that happened in 2011. The same as the EF5 that hit Tuscaloosa a couple years ago. It is very saddening that it's happening again. We will get through this storm, and we will get through this outbreak. And we turn to the Alabama governor right now. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very, very disturbing time. And a large and extremely deadly tornado is hitting the Tuscaloosa area. I don't know what to say. It's just horrible right now. For all those who are in Tuscaloosa, get in an underground shelter right now as this tornado is hitting your area. There is nothing I can do for you. We can't stop this outbreak. We'll just have to go through it. Similar to what happened in Georgia, where also an EF5 hit there too. We will get through this outbreak, and we will be stronger than ever. Alright, that was a message from the governor of Alabama. Now we turn towards Kelly, who is on the ground in Tuscaloosa. Tom, this storm is really, really strong. That's the tornado right there. And I don't know what to say. It is really, really large. People who are in the Tuscaloosa area, get into an underground shelter. Oh no, I'm getting sucked up. Ah! 3 hours later. Shane, this outbreak is going nuts right now. Already Atlanta, Georgia, and Tuscaloosa got hit by 2 EF5s in one day. This is like the 2011 super outbreak. You're right. Then how will we save the people? I'm not sure, dude. Well, let's just issue a state national emergency for a tornado, like a severe thunderstorm or whatever. I don't know, dude, what we should do. Wait a second. I have some good news. What is it, Sean? It looks like the storm is going away and that this outbreak is almost over. What? Well, issue it. Alright. 30 minutes later. Ladies and gentlemen, I have some very good news right now. It looks like this outbreak is about to end very, very soon. at around in 5 minutes. In 4 minutes, this outbreak will end. The governor will now be speaking for the last 4 minutes. My fellow Alabama friends, this outbreak is almost done, although this storm has caused a lot of damage, basically in Alabama and Georgia. This name will probably be referred as the Great Outbreak of 2034. Ladies and gentlemen, we are happy that this storm is going away and that we don't have to suffer more from the storm. Although the Tuscaloosa and Georgia will have to face a lot of construction time due to how large the tornadoes were. And that's my message. And it looks like an administration message by the National Weather Service is about to be issued. Stand by, stand by, stand by, stand by, stand by, stand by. An administrative message has been issued for Georgia and Alabama. All clear. The storm has gone away. But sadly, lots of construction time will be needed to fix these cities. The worst hit cities were Tuscaloosa and Georgia. We are also very happy that the storm is gone. You may exit your shelters out, but watch out for fallen power lines. I repeat, all clear. It's all clear. You may go outside, but watch out for fallen power lines. And this will take years to rebuild what this outbreak did. A message from the governor. My fellow Alabamas, we are very delighted that this storm is gone. But like I said, the storm will cost a lot of money to rebuild these two cities of Tuscaloosa and Alabama. But we are also sad about how many lives were lost during the storm. Ladies and gentlemen, we are very, very happy that this has ended. But most of Atlanta has also been with flooding, and same with Alabama. It will take about a week for the floodwaters to go, but also watch out for fallen power lines that are in the water. Stay away from them, as you can get electrocuted. Before I sign off, I would thank everyone who survived the storm. That was a message from the governor. Your government thanks you for cooperating with the situation. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this EAS scenario. This took a lot of time to make and a lot of effort, and thanks to Flasky and other people for suggesting to make this. Shout out to them. And bye. See you guys in the next EAS scenario. Bye.